Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple columns at once in Google Sheets. A huge time saver if you're working with big spreadsheets. Most people know how to add a single column. Select a column, right-click, insert one column left/right. But what if you need many columns at once? Here's the trick. Highlight as many columns as you want to insert. For example, select 5 columns. Right-click, or use the drop-down arrow on the column header. Then insert X columns left/right. Google Sheets will insert as many columns as you selected. Want to add more? No problem. Select 10 columns. Insert 10 columns to the right. Select 20 columns. Insert 20 columns to the right. You can literally double the number of columns each time, making it fast to add dozens or even hundreds of columns in minutes. This is perfect for large datasets, project trackers, or any spreadsheet where you need room to expand quickly. Try selecting multiple columns to add extra months quickly, for example, April through December. Subscribe to Sheet Leveler for practical Google Sheets tutorials and smarter spreadsheet systems.